Here are the top 3 most effective exercises for every major muscle group. Fast, simple, and scientifically proven. Let's begin. Number 1, push-ups, best for full chest activation. Number 2, dumbbell bench press, perfect for strength and size. Number 3, chest dips, great for the lower chest. Next, biceps. Number 1, dumbbell curls, classic for building mass. Number 2, hammer curls, thicken the arms by targeting the brachialis. Number 3, chin-ups, best body weight bicep builder. For triceps, number 1, tricep dips for heavy overload. Number 2, overhead tricep extension, targets the long head for maximum growth. Number 3, diamond push-ups, pure tricep burn. Back and lats, number 1, pull-ups, king of vertical pulling. Number 2, lat pull-down, controlled lat engagement. Number 3, dumbbell rows, add thickness to your back. Shoulders, number 1, overhead press, best for strength. Number 2, lateral raises, build shoulder width. Number 3, pike push-ups, great no equipment shoulder workout. Save this video as your workout guide, like and subscribe for more.